We are here at WFL Millturn in Linz, Austria. A solution with 6 SSI LOGIMAT storage lifts with a corresponding SAP connection has been implemented here. WFL Millturn Technologies focuses exclusively on the production of multifunctional turning, boring, milling centers. Many high-tech companies know Millturn stands for the highest precision in the production of complex components. We are here at the headquarters in Linz, which is the main production and logistics location, and are taking a closer look at the system logistics, the central material supply for this site. Main benefits of the LOGIMAT are the ability to store plenty of materials within a small space, as well as intuitive operation of the system, providing laser-guided tray positioning, and screens depicting how a tray grid is presented in order to deliver the corresponding information for the picker. The investment is paid off quickly, in less than 2 years. The implementation with SSI SCHAEFER was extremely satisfactory, which makes us plan further automation options for the future. The implementation of this project took place during ongoing operation. Due to SSI SCHAEFER, it was possible to complete everything within 3 months, from the official kickoff to the finalization of the lift systems.